Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off profile views on TikTok. You know this function where you can actually see how many people visit your profile and you can actually see them. Very cool. Let's dive in. Launch the TikTok app first. Click on your profile on the lower right. Then I want you to click on the top right on the three straight lines. You want to launch the settings and privacy menu as well. Click on it. Then I want you to click on the second option, which is privacy. When you're at the privacy, you have multiple different customization. You can hide likes, show likes. You can stop people messaging you, stop people sharing your story, liking it, stop people tweeting. But the most important function that you want to focus in this video is to scroll down, and you will see that almost the last option will be profile views. When you click on profile views, you will be able to turn this on and off. And what this actually means: see who viewed your profile in the last 30 days and allow others to see what you viewed theirs. So you see, when you turn this feature on, when you go to someone else's profile and look into their profile, they're gonna get notified that you look at their profile if they have this function on. So it's like a 50-50 good feature if you really don't mind people seeing that you look into their accounts. But I want you to be aware of that. Okay, I see a lot of people just sharing the good part, which is you can see who viewed your profile. But the downside, like I mentioned, is that they will see when you look someone else's profile as well. So be very mindful. And again, second important note over here is that you will only see who viewed your profile in the last 30 days. After 30 days period expires, they're gonna simply restart the process and you're not gonna see who viewed your profile before this 30 days period. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.